said, take a look at what happened.
TVJ, Smile Jamaica. I beg on you, like, stop promote fuckery, bro.
Rygin King, no artist boy, no bigger than him fans them.
Hey, watch out, man. Viewers and subscribers, do me a big favor. Leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Click that bell and turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we drop fresh new content. Yes, man. Happy Sundays, everybody. And you know we have to jump into the topics. And coming up on today's episode, we have the Rygin King breaking silence about him being arrested in New York after being found in the possession of an illegal gun. Video clip going viral after failed assassination of Donald Trump. We have performances from Vanessa Bling and also Valiant at the Wireless. I'll let the money come back so I go and say tune. Now that we got that all out of the way, hey, cue the intro.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing what you know! The world I forget the stats you know. You know it's what you know, me the, and it's Warlord, Skystar leader. Kaboom! What you know.
Me keep my gun close and watch me and me them. Me have my fair share of fucked up friends.
So watch all viewers and subscribers. Dancehall artist Rygin King came on social media to vent his frustration with the negative press he's been getting after being arrested in New York, saying that the people don't know the real truth and, you know what I mean, Smile Jamaica, TVJ, and all the other news outlets that didn't give him the coverage after releasing, you know what I mean, a good body of work, you see me, a good album, you see me, I say people. But you know what go already, you see me, I say the negative I got always outweigh the positive. You get to me, I say, so you must say, what make him couldn't get that farmer coverage when he released him album. Dancehall artist Rygin King born Matthew Smith appeared in the Queen's Criminal Court on Friday, July the 12th in New York City. According to the court documents obtained by World Music Views, on Friday, Smith bail was set at $5,000 US in cash or insurance, which is posted after pleading not guilty to the 5 charges. So here we go on as a people. The artist is now out on bail, and as I can see, him deny all charges. You get to me and say, you know the court system work. Innocent until proven guilty. You get to me and say, that's why the artists are come forth, and I make, you know, the fans them know why I go on and say the press will stop report. You know what I mean? Things like them. If them don't know what really go down. Rygin King, who gained fame in the dancehall world with his breakout single Tough in 2008, was arrested in Queen as part of the city's One Less Gun campaign. He was found in the front of the passenger seat of a vehicle at the corner of 119th Street and 114 Road with a loaded handgun in his possession, according to the police. An NYPD spokesperson confirmed with the WMV that Rygin King faces charges related to criminal possession of a weapon and ammunition, including unlawful possession of a clip, along with 3 additional charges. The high-profile arrest underscores the ongoing efforts by the NYPD to reduce gun violence in New York City. The One Less Gun campaign aims to remove illegal firearms from the streets, with Rygin King's arrest highlighting the initiative's significance. As the legal proceeding continue, Rygin King's supporters and the dancehall community will closely monitor the development in his case.
Hopefully, my fans and my supporters, them. You know what I say? I make a video, you know. I never did do it, but I have to do it. You see me? Yeah. More know how can I get my album to be promoted the way how I see you guys is promoting something that, you know, I don't really know 100% about. I don't even know how to try to, like, you know, I'm not like that. TVJ, Smile Jamaica, the Jamaican diaspora, you see me? Yeah, I beg on you, like, stop promote fuckery, bro. Like, you see me, I just drop a good album. I see wanna deal with that, so. You know what I mean?
No food I want for some of that. Me keep my gun close and watch me and me them.
Something that said, take a look at what happened.
Moving to spare. Hold. When you're ready. On you.
Ready?
Move. Up. Move.
Go.
Hawkeye's here.
Okay, here. Move it to spare.
Spare, get ready. Spare, get ready.
You ready?
Down. Down.
Are we good? Shooter's down. Are we good to move?
We're clear.
Let's move. Let's move.
We're clear.
Come on.
Let me get my shoes. Let me get my shoes.
I got you, sir. I got you, sir.
Let me get my shoes, sir.
Hold that in your head, buddy.
So we gotta move to the bus. Let me get my shoes.
Watch out.
Wait.
So watch out now, people. This video clip went viral yesterday after an alleged attempt assassination of Donald Trump, who is currently running for the president of the United States right now, people. And why I say alleged, you know what I mean, because some people is saying that, you know, it's fake, you know, and the fact that he's still giving a performance after the Secret Service is trying rushing him off stage, you know what I mean, just confirms that. But you know, Donald Trump has always been a performer, and enough people say just by the attempt of his life here, just confirm that, you know, he is now leading, you know what I mean, all the polls, and he's now the next, you know, president, you see me, again. You see what I say, people? Yeah, because them say Biden have a chance right now. You get me, I say, yeah, because people are going to say, oh, you know what I mean, that's the persona of a tough American, you see me, I say, in the midst of chaos, him seem to hold him composure. You see me, I say, as I can hear him, I say, yeah, hold on, let me get my shoes. You see me? And still get up and hold him neck and you know, put up him on and I say, yeah, them can't get me down. You see me, I say, people. So people are confirm, say, yo, you know what I mean? Yeah, just call him the next president again. You see me, I say, people. You know, some people wouldn't mind Donald Trump had caught that bullet and it never missed. It's what I say, you know, some people strongly believe that he should not be the president, is what I say. But state in the thoughts down below, I know what to think about that, people. Now we're moving on to the big performance from Vanessa Bling and also Valiant. Hey, watching my viewers and subscribers, I want to give a big round of applause to Valiant and also Vanessa Bling for bringing the house down with their wireless performance. You get what I say? And you know I have to give credit when credit is due. Okay? You know when the artists do bad, you see me, I give our opinion on the bad them do. So when them do good, we have to also give our opinion on that. So big round of applause, you see me, for Valiant and Vanessa Bling. You see people. So watching my viewers and subscribers, I want to run go over to the YouTube channel here. You see me, I said a bad producer channel here, Piang at Entertainment. You see me, I want to subscribe, I want to keep it locked. You see me, is a bad producer whatever produce young and upcoming talent. You see me, and we need more producer like this for highlight. You see me, dancehall next generation. You see it? Yes, man. So the link for that video will be on the flat, so you can go ahead, click it, go over to his YouTube channel, keep it locked. You see me, I say turn on all notification bell, subscribe, the whole of that something there. You see me, I say, because you know, say, fresh, new, upcoming artists. You see it? Good music, good energy, good vibes. I got dead. You see it? So last but not least, people, I'll even know with a producer who had some words for Rygin King. And I mean about Rygin King making bad choices and getting upset whenever the fans, you know, we the people, have an opinion, you see me, or criticize him about making poor choices. You get to me and say, people. So I'll leave you know with it right now. So like always, like, comment, share the notification bell for further updates and videos. Banging, watch you now.
I don't care if you have 10 offs, I don't care if you have 16 car. It's the fans make you be who you be. It's the people make you be who you be. So I'm going to say this right now. Rygin King, anybody that is talking about you, listen to your music, and also some of us is a fan of you. And if you are the fuckery, we are going to talk. See me like when you sing Ice in a Cup and Tracer, all I will sing it. Well, most I will sing it. I see him where you do fuckery, we are going to talk about it. You can't have a problem with the Jamaican people or any guy or any female or whatsoever for talking about the stupid move that you make. Now, obviously you get bail, obviously something go on in America that somebody probably going to take the charge here or something, brother. I mean, the file up on the internet, anybody can go Google and see if they get locked up for real. Stop come out and act like you want to put it as a publicity stunt. It's not. People are not dunce. And if some are not dunce, the internet is there and you can go Google. Any case at all that involved in America or any part of the world, you can go and Google it. It's only Jamaica that behind time. You understand? You have to hear from John Brown, hear from Harry, or hear from the spam around the road. But any part of the world, you can Google and see if a man get locked up for throat or a man get charged and know what's going on with the case. So you know, Mr. Rygin King, before you come out and apologize to your fans, apologize to the Jamaican people for making that stupid mistake because the world is against you right now. You have to come out and the first thing as you come out and get bail or whatsoever, you have to say, nobody now talk about your album, nobody now spread the news about your album, but people are talk what they don't know. They will say it again. And last time I said, some of the dancehall artists will get cancer. Some of the dancehall artists will get left in the dark. You know how much artists out there are hungry. You know how much artists out there not have money for buy things. But yet still, not for now get rich. Not for now get the break. Out here I do stupidity. Out here I make a fool of myself. And when we talk and we stand up, you hear a lot of things. Man, we not even know a man, and man we not even know a man start quarrel and talk all type of things. At the end of the day, Jamaica do that like positivity, or like negativity. So a man now go see that video and say, you know, say I told the G attack, Rygin King for do better than that.